And the action will also be on the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, because after his 3-day gag order ended by the Election Commission, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister resumes his Lok Sabha poll campaign, and he's going to first begin with his temple visits for the 4th day. He has offered prayers at the Hanuman Mandir in Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath will later address a rally in Sambhal, followed by public meetings at different places, including Etawah, Hardoi and Firozabad. The Election Commission had restricted Yogi Adityanath from campaigning for 72 hours following his controversial Ali versus Bajrangbali remark during a poll rally in Meerut on the 9th of April. So let's listen into those remarks that Yogi Adityanath had made in Meerut, which led him to be banned by the Election Commission.
अगर कांग्रेस को अली पर, सपा बसपा को अली पर विश्वास है, हमें भी बजरंग बली पर विश्वास है। कांग्रेस, सपा, बसपा, लोकदल, इन्होंने कह दिया है, ये लोग इस बात को मान चुके हैं कि बजरंग बली के अनुयायी उन्हें कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। इसलिए मंच पर जाकर के अली अली चिल्लाते हुए केवल एक हरा वायरस इस देश के बसने के लिए फिर से भेजना चाहते हैं। लेकिन भाइयों बहनों, इस हरे वायरस की चपेट में पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश को लाने की आवश्यकता नहीं। पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश से हम पहले ही सफाया कर चुके हैं, और पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश में एक बार कांग्रेस, सपा, बसपा, लोकदल के गठबंधन को पूरी तरह ध्वस्त कर दीजिए। ये हरा वायरस भारतीय राजनीति के सदैव के लिए समाप्त हो जाएगा।
Nilanshu joins us now for the very latest. Nilanshu, so it's going to be a hectic day for the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath after the ban has ended. Tell us, what can we expect? BJP's poster boy is back in action as he hits the campaign trail.
Well, Avantika, he's certainly back in action, and let me tell you that, interestingly, the Election Commission ban lifted at 10 a.m. and that time he was at the Hanuman temple here in Aliganj area of Lucknow. He offered prayers. He did not speak to the media, but what we have been told from our sources in the BJP is that he is going to speak about the ban. He is likely to speak at the Sambhal rally, where he is going to reach shortly. There are 4 rallies which UP Chief Minister would be addressing today. First in Sambhal, then in Etawah, Firozabad and Mishrik. And let me tell you that in the last 3 days, Yogi Adityanath have been on a temple spree starting from his visit to Hanuman Setu Mandir in Lucknow, followed by visit to Ayodhya, where he visited Hanuman Gali and Ramlala, and then he went to the Devi Patan Mandir, and yesterday he was in Varanasi. He visited Kashi Vishwanath and other temples. So despite of the ban, Yogi Adityanath has been successful in being in media limelight, and let me tell you that the opposition parties have raised a strong objection over Yogi Adityanath temple spree. We saw Mayawati issuing a statement yesterday saying that Yogi Adityanath is somewhere trying to defy the Election Commission order of ban on him. However, the BJP says that Yogi Adityanath is a priest of the Gorakhnath temple, and he cannot be stopped from.
Okay, Nilanshu, thank you so much for joining us. There's some breaking news that has just come in.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.